In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Google Sheets, specifically to the Japanese yen. If you have data sets involving different currencies and need a quick way to switch them, you're in the right place. Let's get started by diving right into it. First things first, you'll want to open a Google Sheet where you plan to make these currency modifications. You can use an existing sheet or create a new one altogether. Once you've got your sheet open, the next step is to identify and select the specific cell or range of cells where you'd like to apply your currency format change. Selecting the correct cells is crucial as it ensures your data displays exactly how you need it to. With your cell or cells selected, look towards the top of your screen and click on the Format menu in the toolbar. This menu houses all the indispensable formatting options you might need, including numbers, fonts, and importantly for us today, currencies. Hover over it, and in the drop-down menu, you'll find several choices aimed at customizing how your data appears, including the currency setting. The next step is to find Custom Currency within that display. Click on it, and you'll be guided to a window where you can search for and select the currency of your choice. Since our objective is to set the currency to Japanese yen, we'll go ahead and type Japanese yen into the search bar. Once you type it in, it should pop up almost immediately. Go ahead and click on Japanese yen when you see it. After clicking on Japanese yen, you'll get a few options for how exactly you'd like the currency to be displayed. It's important to choose a format that matches the standard you're working with or the requirements you have. In our case, let's select the format labeled as JPY Y is 1,000 pounds. This format gives a clear indication of the currency type alongside an easy-to-read numeric format. Now, after selecting this format, you'll notice an option to apply this setting at the bottom of the window. Click Apply and voila! Your selected cells in Google Sheets should now display amounts in Japanese yen, formatted precisely how you need. And there you have it, folks. Selecting a custom currency in Google Sheets is as straightforward as that. Using these steps, you can seamlessly switch between currencies depending on your project needs. It keeps your data organized and interpretable, making it one less thing to worry about in your data handling tasks. Thanks for joining me today, and happy spreadsheeting.